holiday season is here, and there's no better way to bring festive cheer into your home than by transforming your dining table into a magical Christmas centerpiece. Your dining table is more than just a place to enjoy meals. It's where memories are created, laughter is shared, and holiday traditions come to life. In this video, I'll guide you through stunning Christmas dining table decor ideas that will elevate your celebrations and leave your guests in awe. From cozy rustic themes to glamorous settings, you'll discover creative ways to incorporate the essence of Christmas into your tablescape. Think shimmering candle arrangements, personalized name cards, and elegant table runners adorned with greenery and fairy lights. Whether you prefer traditional red and green tones, snowy whites, or bold gold accents, these ideas will help you design a table that matches your style. We'll also cover practical tips like layering textures, balancing centerpieces, and incorporating DIY elements for a personal touch. With simple yet impactful changes, you can turn an ordinary dining table into a festive masterpiece that sets the perfect tone for your holiday gatherings. So gather your favorite holiday